Good afternoon. Today is November 24, 2023, Friday, and here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Store 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City. Under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 24, 2023, Friday. Here are the STL Store 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City. Under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for November 24, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for November 24, 2023, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.